The day everything almost ended if history had moved forward by just a few seconds. Nothing you recognize as life would exist today. No humans. No animals. No forests. No memory of Earth ever being alive. Not because Earth was weak. Not because life failed, but because of timing. This is the story of the day when Earth didn't merely end, it should have ended. And the fact that it didn't is one of the strangest accidents in the history of the universe. Before the disaster, Earth was alive in a way we can barely imagine. The planet was warmer. The oceans were full. The land was loud. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled every ecosystem. They survived volcanic winters. They survived climate shifts. They survived mass extinctions before. Life was stable, balanced, thriving. Nothing on Earth knew that the countdown had already started, because the danger didn't come from Earth. It came from deep space. The object no one saw coming somewhere beyond Mars. A massive rock was drifting silently, not glowing, not dramatic, just another asteroid, until gravity chose it. Pulled slowly at first, then faster, then violently. By the time it entered Earth's atmosphere, it was moving at over 20 kilometers per second. That's not speed. That's planetary violence. In less than 10 seconds, the future of life would be decided. The impact, not what movies show when the asteroid struck what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. It did not create an explosion. Explosions need air. This was worse. The energy released was equivalent to over 100 trillion tons of TNT. The ground didn't shake, it liquefied. Rock behaved like water, oceans jumped out of their basins. The Earth's crust cracked like glass. Within seconds, the impact site was hotter than the surface of the sun. And then, the real nightmare began. Fire from the sky. This is important. Most people think dinosaurs died from the impact. They didn't. They died from what came next. The collision launched trillions of tons of debris into space. Rock, metal, dust, and then gravity pulled it all back down. As the debris re-entered the atmosphere, the sky didn't just glow. It burned. For hours, the entire planet was surrounded by a global firestorm. Forests ignited, grasslands vanished, animals suffocated or burned alive. If you had been alive anywhere on Earth, you would have thought the planet itself was on fire. Because it was, the darkness, Earth without sunlight after the fire, came silence. The debris blocked the sun. Not clouds, not smoke. A planetary scale curtain of dust. Day became twilight. Twilight became night. For months, possibly years, sunlight never reached the surface. Plants stopped photosynthesizing. Oceans cooled rapidly. Food chains collapsed from the bottom up. This wasn't extinction. This was system failure. Life wasn't dying one species at a time. It was being unplugged. Why dinosaurs never stood a chance? Dinosaurs were powerful. But they had one weakness. They needed a lot of food. Large bodies, high energy demand. When plants died, herbivores starved. When herbivores starved, carnivores followed. Within a geological blink, the rulers of Earth were gone, not defeated, not replaced. Erased. But here's where the story gets strange, because extinction wasn't complete. Some things lived. Small things, burrowing things, creatures that could hide, wait, endure. Early mammals, insects, seeds beneath the soil. Life didn't win, it survived. Barely. The terrifying part. Pay attention. Scientists later discovered something chilling. The asteroid didn't just hit Earth. It hit at almost the worst possible angle, a slightly steeper entry. And the energy release would have been even greater. a slightly different location, and Earth's oceans could have released toxic gases on a global scale. A few moments earlier or later, and the climate shift might have lasted millions of years longer. Life was not saved by strength. It was saved by probability. The question no one likes asking: if one asteroid could almost erase life, how many others have missed? How many times has Earth come close, without us ever knowing? And what if next time, there is no luck left?